So guys, I'll give you a quick tour of work in progress of our Calistimon project and tell you space by space what we've done here. So this is the entry area. Everything is painted. This is Dulux Antique White USA. We are going to have a niche here with a table. We are waiting currently joinery from China. This is our beautiful stair. It's already installed. We are going to have chandelier here. It's covered from dust now. And this is tiles. They installed and covered for now. That's how entry looking from this side. We are going to have here this beautiful balustrade. It's curved. It's gonna be wooden. We are waiting everything from China to arrive. Container is arriving very soon. This is going to be formal lounge with nice sitting area. We are gonna have beautiful picture here. And here we are installing shelves. From both sides it will be symmetrical shelves. We're gonna have a nice portal here and view to stairs, this beautiful curved stair. So exciting. Let's have a look what's happening in this room. This is guest bedroom. Oh, I really love this antique white from Dulux. It's looking really cool. This is walk-in robe. And this is ensuite. The tiles are done. The tiles are looking really nice. So this is tiles, gloss tiles for the walls and matte tiles for the floor, because floor tiles, they need to be slip resistant. So we picked very similar patterns. We are gonna have here vanity. This is shower with shower niche. Here will be shower screen. This is the future toilet. This bathroom has a lot of natural light. Very nice. So this niche is positioned really nicely. When you go outside of guest bedroom, you're gonna have this beautiful big mirror inside this niche and table here. Very exciting. This is, by the way, entry to garage, and this is entry to the powder room and to the laundry. Now let's go have a look in laundry. So here we are going to have these cabinets with a rail to hand closes, overhead cabinets. Here will be another tall cabinet. One more cabinet here. Entry outside. And this is for washing machine and dryer and sink. So here is the sink near the door. And this is washing machine, dryer above, storage cabinet above. And here we're gonna have shelf. Very nice. Okay, let's transition now to living room, kitchen, open space. So this is the living room. I'm very excited about this fireplace joinery because we're gonna have here big curved panel. It's already manufactured in China and traveling here. This is the niche for TV, and this is fireplace. Here we'll have like small console, curtain, big sofa. Here we want to have a family gallery wall, black and white, with wall lights above. This is the view to entry. This is the kitchen. So here will be beautiful island with a curve. This will be a fridge with ovens, some storage. So here's the kitchen with sink, cooktop, overhead cabinets, entry to butlers, This is dining area with dining table, pendant light. This window we can open, and you know, from that preparation area we can pass here the dishes. This is alfresco area. The soffit is already done, very nice wood soffit. Let's go have a look at butlers. So this is preparation kitchen. We're gonna have joinery here, here, here. Here we're gonna have fridge. And here's the sink, ovens, overhead cabinets with range hood. That's how it's gonna look. And here, so here's the cabinets. And here we are gonna have food pantry. So food pantry is like this. Cabinets here with sliding doors and with shelves on this wall. That's how it's looking. Beautiful, beautiful open space. It feels like really, really big space. I'm really enjoying it. See, with evening light, it's giving like beautiful lights on this wall. Oh, I'm so excited to see it actually. Let's go have a look upstairs. Here we added this curve to the stair because all our stay is about curves, and we got curves here nicely turned with this curve. So it's very, very softening the space, giving it very nice feel. Stair, I love this stair, it's looking absolutely gorgeous. Over there we're going to have light. It's gonna be like a feature visible from upper space living room. Going upstairs. So exciting. Imagine you're walking up, you see this beautiful chandelier over here. The space and proportions of this house is absolutely amazing. So this is going to be sitting area with TV over there, with kitchenette, with another cabinet, because it's a big space at the top. You need cabinet to store stuff. This is gonna be study. Beautiful study with desk, shelving here, shelving here. This is the transition to the bedroom. We got really nice doors. This bedroom has got also walk-in-robe. And this is the entry to the bathroom. Tiles also installed here with evening lights. That's how it's looking. So here, why we having this hob? Because this floor already have been built, and previously this shower was here, and toilet was here, and vanity here. And it was really hard to squeeze in to the toilet between shower and vanity. We didn't like it, so we moved shower over here. So now we can walk easily to shower, and toilet is here, kind of hidden from the side, and vanity is just here. That's how it's looking. It's very, very good color, so I'm really happy with the color. We went with the ceilings and walls, same color, and it's looking absolutely gorgeous. I love same color, it's called color drenching. Love same color for walls and ceilings. That's how it's looking in evening light. It's, you know, in the camera it's a little bit yellow, but in real life it's very nice and soft beige color. Here we're going to have one bedroom, another bedroom. These bedrooms are identical with beautiful big windows, Bathroom here, walk-in robe here. Bathroom tiles are ready as well. So here's vanity. Here's the toilet and shower is here. Here we couldn't move the toilet because, you know, we didn't want to make shower next to the window, so we decided to keep it. That's all right. Another bedroom, just identical bedroom. Oh, what a beautiful view in the evening from here. Shower with insert tile drain. That's how it's looking. I love this tile. It's just a gorgeous tile, gorgeous. Now let's go to master bedroom. Over there, master bedroom. So I really like when you transition there. You see this chandelier. You see this beautiful rail. I love it. I love this curve. You know, we've been thinking to make this curve or not, but I think now it helps more smooth transition to the bedroom. So you come and you don't hit your hip, you know. So it's like this. Here will be like a beautiful big plant. Double door to bedroom. Nice. Bedroom with its own terrace. This is master bedroom. Bed is gonna be here. And then walk-in shower. Walk-in ensuite. So this is gonna be bathtub. Double vanity with two beautiful mirrors. Shower. Toilet will be with the door, so we can close the door and have some privacy over there. Beautiful, beautiful. I really like this edge trim. It ties up really nicely with the tile. Here we are going to have TV, and here some shelving with a desk. And we have two walk-in robes. One is here, one is here. So let's have a look at this walk-in robe. So here we got cabinetry on this wall, cabinetry on this wall. That's his walk-in robe, little bit smaller. And this is her walk-in robe, little bit bigger. For women we need bigger. Cabinetry here, cabinetry here, cabinetry here. Beautiful, beautiful view outside. Just gorgeous, gorgeous. Comment on, guys, what do you think of this beautiful house? Follow Design Mile to see the result. We are waiting for containers. Soon we are gonna install our joinery.